Good morning, everyone. We got a nice little driveway extension. As you see, we took out the existing boiler, which was done on a new construction job site. The way that we don't like to see it, to where they put the concrete up against the side of the paver. So we're extending the driveway on both sides up to the corner of the home, which I think every driveway should be that way, but I guess these new construction builders want to save a couple of dollars, so that's the way that they do it. So as you see, we're widening both sides about 2 feet out to the edge, tying in to the existing pavers, and then coming out to the road. So just another little small project. We like them all. No job is too small or too big. So we look forward to doing some work with you guys soon. Have a blessed day.